Casement window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of casement windows Salt Lake City styles available, residents can find the perfect match for their home's design. Salt Lake City window replacement services offer a range of options, including custom casement windows and vinyl casement windows, ensuring that every homeowner can find the ideal solution for their needs. Energy-efficient casement windows are a top priority for those looking to reduce energy costs in Salt Lake City. These windows provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Casement window insulation is a key factor in achieving significant energy savings, making them a smart investment for any Salt Lake City home. Salt Lake City casement window installation services are renowned for their expertise and quality. Casement window contractors in the area are skilled in providing top-notch installation, ensuring that each window is fitted perfectly for maximum performance. Salt Lake City window experts are available to guide homeowners through the selection process, offering advice on the best casement windows. Salt Lake City Casement window replacement is an essential service for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Salt Lake City window replacement specialists are equipped to handle any issues, from minor replacements to complete replacements. Regular casement window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Affordable casement windows are available through various casement window suppliers in Salt Lake City. These suppliers offer competitive casement window prices, making it easier for homeowners to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Casement window deals in Salt Lake City provide excellent value for those looking to enhance their home's appearance and efficiency. Casement window customization is a popular option for homeowners in Salt Lake City who want to add a personal touch to their windows. With a wide range of casement window materials, dimensions, and design options, customization allows for a unique and tailored look. Salt Lake City window customization services can help bring your vision to life. Casement window hardware and casement window screens are important components that contribute to the overall functionality and security of your windows. Salt Lake City window specialists can provide guidance on selecting the right hardware and screens to meet your needs. Casement window security is a crucial consideration for homeowners looking to protect their property. Casement window aesthetics play a significant role in the overall appeal of a home. Salt Lake City window professionals can assist in selecting casement window glass options that enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. Casement window design is an important aspect of creating a cohesive and attractive look. Casement window durability is a key factor for homeowners in Salt Lake City, where weather conditions can be harsh. Durable casement windows. Salt Lake City are designed to withstand the elements, providing long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Salt Lake City window upgrades often include durable materials that ensure longevity and reliability.